Hi, good morning. It's Roland again of Rolweng YouTube channel. So today I buy some accessories for my XT4 Fuji. So what I've got is I have this Benro filter, UV filter, so that it can protect my the lens, the glass in the lens of my Fuji XT4. So Benro. And then I have this Hoya digital filter kit too. So it's a good filter of the lens, so that it will protect your lens, and then it will reduce the glare of your shots in your camera. So I will do the unboxing for these two filters for Fujifilm X-T4 and for my lens, which is 72mm. So watch for the unboxing of these two filters. So this one is composed of 3 filters, 1 UV, 1 CPL, and then 1 ND filters. And for this one is a UV filter. It's one of the more expensive filter, but it can protect your lens to any dust and any sun glare. So okay, so come and join me and we will do the unboxing for these two filters. This is composed of 3 filters and then 1 filter, so it's 4 filters for Fujifilm X-T4. So come and join me and we will do the unboxing for these filters. Bye bye. Okay, so we now proceed with the unboxing of these different kinds of filters, which I bought in Bestech. Bestech is the one of the biggest store of different kinds of cameras and accessories. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing of these Benro filters, and then we have this Hoya digital filters kit 2, which is composed of 3 filters: the ND, the CPL, and the UV filters. So these Hoya filters have been they are the one who produce different kinds of filters for your camera. So I like this filter and I'm using this before. So okay, let's proceed with the unboxing of these Benro filters. So first we will do the unboxing of this Benro. So this one is good filter. It has the hard case, so I like this Benro. It's one of the expensive filter that I bought in Bestech. Okay, so this filter is it can protect front lens elements from damages. So it's slim and it's a 72mm, which is the size of my 1680 filters for my XT40. So it has a flat glass. Then the build quality of this filter is made up of steel ring. The glass is flat glass with a good structure, so it provides scratch resistance and water and oil refilling. So this is a good lens for your as a UV filter for your lens. So generally, the main purpose of these UV filters is to protect your lens against the scratch or dust, and it will not affect the quality of your shots. Okay, let's now proceed with the unboxing of this Hoya filter digital filter kit 2. 3 main filter in a package of 1, which frequently used at the time of photography. So they just combine 3 filters in 1 package, which generally it's been used by photographers for their photography purposes in 1 package. So you can find in this package the different kinds of filters manufactured by the Hoya Japan. So this is they've been in the business for so many long years, and they are proven to have a different good quality of filters for your camera or DSLR. So it's made from Japan, and it's a good lens filter, and it comes with this filter pouch. The build quality of the filter pouch is good. It have a soft pouch, and it will not affect your filters. So it has a Velcro, and it can lock. It will not take out from this pouch. So it has four what you call pouch that you can place your different kinds of filters. Okay, we'll proceed with this first filter. So the first filter that we have is what we call the CPL, or the circular polarizing filter. So it's a polarized filter. It is a basic filter with a polarization effect to eliminate unwanted reflection or to enhance contrast of the sky and nature object. So it is slim filter. The build quality is good. Steel ring also, and it's a 72 mm size. So I will compare these images. So without polarizing filter, the sample picture is not that good, but with a polarizer, you can see that the sky is blue, so it's a good shots. It's really give you a good quality if you're going to use this CPL polarizer filter. So it's a good quality, and I tried to use this before, and I'm good that I'm very sure that it's a good filter for your lens. And the second one is just like the Benro filter, which is a UV filter. It is used to intercept UV lights, and it's done a general protection of your lens from any dust or from any scratches. So if you are if you are going to shot in a good environment, or it's not that sunlight is it's not too harsh, so you can just put this UV filter as a protection, and for scratch of your lens. So it's a good protection UV filter that you can always put in your lens to protect from any dust or from any damages or scratches. So again, this is a UVC filter from Hoya, Japan. So it's a 72 mm filter. So it's a good quality, and I'm pretty sure that it can protect your lens from any scratches or dust. So okay, we're going to put it back to the plastic, and we're going to use this pouch filter. Okay, the next filter is what we call the ND8 filter. So it's the neutral density filter 8. So ND has different sizes. We have the 8, 16, and 32. But the package that comes with this kit is ND8. So it's still a good neutral density filter, because it reduces the light quantity for 3 stops, and it's equivalent to 8 times longer shutter speed. So it is a wider aperture during shiny day, or to imitate blur motion of water or moving object. So it's a good build quality also, and we will compare. I have a footage that compare the images if you going to use the ND filter, and if there is a without ND8 filter. So you can see that the with ND8 filter, the image is good. White is white, and the you can see the blur of the sky. so or any moving object. So it's a good lens, or it's a good filter that you can put in your lens to give a dramatic or cinematic effect for your shots. So again, this is a ND8 filter, and once again, there are lots of different ND filter like ND8, ND16, ND32, and those 16 and 32 are one of the most expensive lens or filter, that is available in the market. So what comes in this package is the ND8, and I suppose that this is still a good ND filter that you can use in your day-to-day photo shots that will give you really a dramatic shots or dramatic picture. So again, this is the Hoya filter kit with the good pouch, good quality pouch, and it will protect your lens. So it has a 4 pouch, and exactly I have a poor filter, so this is a good collection or kit for my 72mm 1680 for XT40. Again, thank you for watching this video. If you're still new to my channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be updated for my upcoming videos. Thank you and good day.